money towards repairing this borehole because it is benefiting the church, the secondary school, primary, and the hospital and the community, plus the trading center. So it has helped us, and we thank you so much, because clean water is good health, and it continues with life, and water is life. So we thank you so much for having donated this money, and please, if there is a space, you give us more. Thank you so much.
Just had a testimony from one of the members of the community that have benefited from this well, which had been broken for the last 4 years. It was resurrected. The school, the hospital, and the nearby trading center are benefiting from this clean water. We continue thanking God for His provisions of the finances to have this work done. Also thank the donors who worked tirelessly to raise funds to have this work completed here. Blessings.